Hi, I'm Morgan from Shape Architecture.
And I'm Max with Kip Construction. I know it looks like we murdered an octopus behind us, but in fact, it is the critical components of the Brink ERV system from 475 Supply, which Morgan is going to tell you a little bit more about now, and I'll be back later to show you the rest of the system.
So how the system works, it's actually recovering heat and or energy from the stale warm air and transferring that to the fresh cool air from the outside. So it's a heat transfer mechanism that is reducing energy as it's supplying fresh air.
We call this a home run system, which means that every one of these goes to a port. That's different than a truncated system where you have a big pipe that reduces in diameter as it branches out. We prefer this. It offers us more flexibility and efficiency, and we're really excited to show you what it looks like in the future when all of this is made up. But for now, I also want to show you this nifty little duct that 475 sends with their HRVs. And now this is just foam, and so you don't need to insulate it, and they have elbows and straights and 45s and everything you need. We'll show you in a future video what that looks like all made up, but very cool product from 475 Supply. We also, of course, have our exhaust, which is up here. So we have supply here, exhaust tucked up there, kind of hard to see, and then we have all these wires, which will be for booster fans in all of the areas that could produce excessive exhaust, so the kitchens and bathrooms. Those will get made up, little push switch, and that boosts the whole system. Let's go upstairs and we'll see what some of the rest of this looks like. So we're upstairs one level now, and he has a total of 3 in this house. And we can see this octopus tentacle craziness coming up and going throughout, distributing through where we need them in the rest of the space. Downstairs, in some of the footage you just saw, we haven't yet installed our registers. 475 sends us with these really easy to use registers. You can see there's 3 ports on this one. Some of them have 2, and some of them have 2 with 1 blocked in. So they calculate exactly how many ports and runs you'll need, and they send you those exact amount of boxes, and so you don't have to guess when you receive this stuff. They send you a whole list of registers and locations and ports, and you just throw them up, hook the tubing in, and it ends up being really, really easy. Our installer, who we'll talk to in a future video, really likes this system. Can't wait to use it again.
So now we're on the 3rd level of the house, and below us was that large chase that looked like it was about to attack Max. Now we're up here, we're using that vertical chase, and we've got some supply and exhaust ducts in the same channel. So now we're in a bathroom, and you can see right above us there's a exhaust plug ready for that, and then in the same chase we're doing a supply into this adjacent bedroom. This is essentially a passive house level house. We are not going to certify it, but we, due to some health issues that my family has had, and also living in an extreme climate, climate zone 7, we really wanted to use the best systems we can. This Brink ERV system from 475 is one of the most efficient, high-performing units out there, and we're excited to see it in action.